Indoor air quality is an issue of vital importance for commercial planting room and public facilities of all types. Crops from damaging airborne microorganisms that might proliferate in room air and cause the plants to develop mold, mycotoxins, and powdery mildew. Proper Cannabis UV germicidal UVC light systems solutions addresses all these. Induct UVC fixtures are an option when air handling units. They are also effective at disinfecting air as it passes through the system and before it reaches rooms, providing an extra layer of protection against pathogens. UVC light inactivates the DNA and RNA structure of harmful pathogens and inhibits reproduction. HVAC Farm Indoor Grow Air Stream Disinfection HVAC.
HVAC Farm